Genius allows us to make bookings in currencies other than our default currency. So if my default currency is GBP, British pounds, which it is, and I've got a VAT rate of 20%, I can add other currencies and raise the order in those currencies and change the tax rate as well. So if we look here in my list, I've got Japanese yen, 5% tax. So I'm going to select that one, save changes, and the basket is totaled up and the different tax rate is shown as well. So the tax is different, so that alters the balance. I then just need to select the payment method, which I'm going to choose bank transfer and complete order. So if I scroll down on the order now, so this is a new order that I've placed. If I scroll down, you can see the total is all totaled up, it's in yen,